So before I unload this, people are saying this is a 48. No, this is a 46. You can tell by the turn signals. 46, 47, 48 are all different. They keep saying this is a 48, it's 48. No, this is a 46. 48s are bigger and flat. 46 right here, they're more rectangular and they stick out like this. I can't remember what 47s are. They share the same body style between 46, 47, and 48. A little bit of a chrome difference in the front with the grills, but it all comes down to turn signals, just like Chevrolet and Ford in these years. When in doubt, refer to your turn signal and it'll tell you the proper year and what your car is. Everything's going just fine. Flat tire is being used as a stopper in the back. I'm not going to crawl completely underneath because it rained last night, but just a show of how good this frame is. But of course we got some rot here and there, so need to restructure some stuff. I think I counted first at like 2 or 3, but there's almost each and every one of these needs to be redone, which is no big deal because it just put a different panel in and go from there. But let's see, entire section right here on each side needs to be replaced. I have absolutely no idea how long she's been sitting on the ground. And I typed it wrong. It's Deluxe. There's a space between D and Lux. So Deluxe or Deluxe, I don't know yet. Everything that I find online says Deluxe. So, oh, we also had a bad boo-boo here when loading it. That's an easy pop. But mother, she's rough. But of course on this side too, when the loader attacked it. But of course both sides need to be restructured. Make something a little thicker. I can see how bad the rot is. Yeah, because this spot right here wasn't too bad, but just gonna replace everything because Sarah's gonna put some sort of a big block Mopar 4-speed. Looking underneath, that's a very big rear axle. Very big rear axle. Oh, I got in the hole too. Didn't expect that. I could have put more on to hold it, but I'm pretty sure that could have stripped out. That's how bad it looks. And that one. So, all in all, I mean, can't complain about a very rare coupe 5-window. 46. Yeah, Tucker got lucky on this one. So I better finish unloading her real fast. So that says Deluxe, and this spells it properly, Deluxe. So I guess this is proper. I don't know, but this is what's left of the hood. Split in half. Have to get very creative to make another one for it, unless we can find a different one. But all these parts here I've already documented. They're gonna go into the deal there. Yeah, that's also a 46 too. I had to stop and look for a second. But I don't know why they cut a spot right there in the top. And that'd be pretty easy to fix right there. Because I need to compare fenders when we get around to it. And then fix it. Yeah, I gotta move this out of the way. This land yacht. And I also gotta move Red Rose because after the rain comes, I need to move these out of the way, put 2 better tires on that, and put it back behind the 46 Caddy. So, but she's down, safe and sound. So yeah, a very rare coupe. I guess sedans, the 4 doors are more common, but for some reason these are kind of hard to come by anymore. You don't see too many of them. I got the middle panel there, over there. As you can see, the loader kind of did some damage. So a lot of stuff needs to be restructured just a tiny bit. It's no big deal because a lot of this right here was kind of rotten, but nothing compared to that sedan. Oh my gosh, that sedan was nothing but a trap. I mean, it's an interesting kind of car. know, I don't remember a speaker being back there. He still has his light and bezels hanging down. The wires going around. I wonder if this had two. Yeah. Really reminds me of the 46, the Beast. Tucker's 46 gasser. Yeah. I need to put all the parts in here shortly. Because like I said, I need to get some better tires on this and move these others and get it positioned around, because I gotta compact things. So it'll be around maybe July or August when I pull out that, unless if I get lucky on the Roadrunner, on the 73 Roadrunner, excuse me. So yeah, once again, 46 has these kind of turn signals. All models have the same kind of tail lights. See if I can open this. It's opened once. Well, maybe from the inside. Nope. Doesn't want to now. Here, let me put this down real fast and get it open. Well, I can't get it open, so I'll try to put some parts in as much as I can, and I'll find a different spot for the fenders, I suppose. I'll just put the trunk deck on it and go from there. But yeah, on the sedan now, it has similar bolt holes, but this though, see, there's a bolt hole on that side, but there's none on this side. So it's kind of interesting how it's missing a bolt hole on this side. So again, yeah, a bolt hole right there, but no hole here. Yeah, isn't that something? I wish I could get into this. I'll just have to do some WD-40 and soak it for a while, because it's being stubborn. Got it open quite a few times, but now it's like, I don't want to. So it's like, okay. But main majority of the damage is pretty much here on the roof. Just gotta, you know, heat it up a little, pop it out. Match the other side. Got to get this window out before we do, because that window's still good. Pop it out in the back. There's really not too much to do on this car. Fix the floorboard, obviously. Clean it all out. So yeah, it actually, you know what, that's not from the loader. Yeah, I remember now, that's not from the loader. So I do apologize, that's not from the loader, that's not loader damage. Well, this could be, I can't remember. Could have been from the forks going in, so yeah, it might be loader damage. It just, yeah, I see it now. That is loader damage. It's no big deal, just replace it right there. So pretty much the factory tack welds are just down kind of like right there on each side. Just put it back so far, and there's another panel right there that splits. Because he's going to need something right here to accommodate the that big block in the 4-speed, where he's going to put into this. Because this is going to be one heck of a hot rod. Not sure when we're going to get to it. Still starting out. So, and of course, Plymouth. Not much else to really go by. And that panel right there for the body number is worn. I gotta get that cover back on. Actually, that shaft should be okay, because it needs to be redone. I wonder how he's going to get something around that, unless a different control unit altogether. I mean, there's options out there. So all in all, I think this is a good save. Rare coupe. Documented this quite a bit lately here on YouTube, TikTok, and even Instagram. But when she's home, I need to get some tires on it. I need to move some out of the way after this whole rainstorm's passed. Hopefully it's not raining tomorrow when we pick up that D100, which I do agree with everybody. I think it's probably a cab swap. I got too excited because, you know, 4-wheel drive, and, you know, 4-wheel drive 4-speeds, I'm a sucker for those. But I gotta look past my excitement more, because when we see that, it's like, oh, it's like, I don't care. It's a 4-wheel drive system. Just gotta find the VIN numbers and see what it belonged to, because that 4-wheel drive system looks just like that on Macho Man. And in which I'm going to be messing around with those two later in the year to see if they'll start. God, there's just so much stuff to do. I've got a lifetime to fulfill it. So all in all, I think that's everything. Oh, and also too, and a little update on the 46 Caddy. I'm just gonna have to build stuff on my own, guys. Some of those Cadillac clubs that were helping me out, the Cadillacs that they keep finding, the ones that are really trashed, they keep being sold and sold. So I'm just gonna have to build stuff from one side over to the other when I get an English wheel and all that. I gotta keep some room on both sides, so that way I can unlock the hubs and try to find some tires that fit on it, so that way I can roll it around and then fix that frame. Because before it comes off the frame, I want to fix that top. That's gonna be some work. So I mean, I'm not too worried about the floorboard because the body's still safe and sound. So when in doubt, elbow grease it out. So I'll leave this video there. Thank you very much for the support that you've shown us. We're almost out of phase one, grabbing a few more vehicles that we didn't expect to grab. We went through everything down there to make sure is there anything else that we want to grab, and it's just those remaining three. It was going to be the Grand Torino last, along with the car hauler, but three more left to haul. Now it's the Grand Torino, that 55, 56 Buick, and that four-wheel drive with the cab mounted on. Oh, sorry, I was just looking at that exhaust pipe right there. I'm surprised that held on with that muffler just barely there. So alrighty, thank you for the support that you've shown us all this time. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe if I could hold the camera correctly. I know people are not taking us too seriously, but I hope people do, because we're going to start working on everything with our car collection, our private car collection, and when we get to the steel reproduction bodies and the AA doodlebugs and a bunch of other things too. And then production on these videos, the quality should be getting better. I'm going to try to get them at least 10 to 15 minutes long, some getting a little longer. So already enough gabbing. I better get some tires off for that D100. So y'all have a good night, take care and stay safe. See you later, and thanks again.